EMOORE food connoisseur. Welcome to my foodie adventures. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? Today, I got a little love gift from my homie Big E. Thanks a lot, homeboy. He ran across this drink. It's reserved peaches and cream, the Monster brand. Before I get involved in this Monster drink, I'm gonna tell you it contains a high amount of caffeine. So please drink in moderation. I take maybe 1 or 2 of these a week, depending on how tired I am. I advise you, if you're under 18, please don't drink these because, like I said, it contains a nice amount, a high amount of caffeine in it. I indulge on these sparingly when I need it. So I'm going to tell you the smell of it, the taste of it, if it's a nasty aftertaste to it. On the breakdown of this, on their descriptions, they describe this as a nice, sweet peaches and cream kind of taste to it. Nice and smooth. So I'm gonna let you know my thoughts, my opinions, and my ratings. So I'm going to give you my most honest opinion about this peaches and cream reserve Monster drink, whether it's smooth or not, whether it has that nice, sweet peaches and cream smell to it, and if you actually taste that sweet peaches and cream taste, if it's smooth or if it's hard to swallow. All right, y'all. So y'all sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride. Welcome to the EMOORE Food Connoisseur Foodie Adventures. Let's see about the smell first. Definitely smell the peaches and cream smell to it. It's very alluring. It has a very sweet smell to it. Now let's see how it tastes. Definitely have that peaches and cream taste to it. We're going to take a couple more swigs of it, then we're going to talk about it. The peaches and cream taste of it is very prevalent throughout both sips I had so far. So on the front end, you got that nice peaches and cream taste to it. But on the back end, you got that traditional Monster taste to it. It has a little bit of aftertaste to it, but nothing that's overpowering. Whereas I'm gonna just throw the can out the car. I would definitely purchase this again on my end, or give Big E some money so he can scoop me up a couple of these so I can add it to my repertoire of Monster drinks that I like. So now I have the peaches and cream that I like. I have the raspberry, blue raspberry electric that I like. The mad apple that I like. And you got to go back to the Monster juices as well. They have a lot of different flavors there that I like also. But this is a Monster brand energy drink, not the Monster juice. So I'm going to add this to my repertoire of things that I like. Peaches and cream. Remember peaches and cream and herb? I know y'all older people like me know who I'm talking about. So on a scale of 1 to 10, as far as the peaches and cream taste of this, I would give this a 8.8. On a scale of 1 to 10 of aftertaste to this, no, there's not any overpowering aftertaste to this. This is definitely something that you will very much enjoy. So aftertaste wise, on the good side of things, it would get a 8.8 as well. The smoothness of it, silky smoothness of it. What I say is that, yes, it's very smooth going down. You taste that peaches and cream. Soon as you start sipping on it, you don't have to go and investigate like one I just did a review on last week. That I try to remember the flavor of that. I'm getting old, so sometimes the memory is not always there. I can't remember that flavor I did, but I had to keep investigating. Oh yeah, the strawberry shots one. This is way different than that. So as you crack the can up, you smell the peaches and cream, and then you start taking those sips, you taste the peaches and cream. The description described it very much to the T. I 100% highly recommend you people over 21 that's into those monster drinks along with the monster juice drinks. Go and enjoy yourself one of these things right here. Go and grab it up and enjoy it. It's very much flavorful and fruitful, and you will not be disappointed. From the first sip to the last sip, you will enjoy this. All right, y'all. Thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. I'm going to ask you, please subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Share me out with everybody you know. Let the people know about that brother, EMOORE Food Connoisseur. Yeah, I break down drinks. I break down snacks. I break down restaurants. I break down mom and pop shops. I break down, somebody in the hood, they're selling some goodies. Hit me up. Let me know about these people. I'm about to hit the map, baby. I'm about to take that road trip to Texas, where I'll be hitting, landing, and boarding in Virginia. I'll be boarding in Tennessee. I'll be boarding in that good old state, Arkansas. And then the ultimate spot that I'll be in and visiting the foodie situation fully is Texas. So I'll be hitting the map, baby. All right, y'all. Thank you for taking the time out watching the video. You will see me very soon on my next review. Remember, every day you get to take that breath. You get to open those eyes up. To God be the glory. It's a gift from God. Give your loved ones that nice big bear hug. And you will see me very soon on my next review. EMOORE Food Connoisseur. I'm out, baby.